Since we don't use the alphabet for Chinese characters, it's almost impossible to know how to pronounce individual letters just by seeing how it looks like, even for natives. Yes, you heard me right. The great news is in this video, I'm going to share two methods to know how the Mandarin letters is pronounced if you haven't heard it before. Hi, I'm Wei Li. Let's say now you are on a market and see a vegetable which you don't know. How to know how the Mandarin letter is pronounced from reading off the label? Method number 1, Pleco. Pleco is a very powerful dictionary for Mandarin learners. I highly recommend downloading this app if you haven't. I will leave the link down below. In today's case, you don't know the letter on the label, but you want to know how it is pronounced. So now what you need to do is open Pleco and tap the brush icon. Then let's say you want this word. You don't know what it is, you want to know how to pronounce it. So you write on the tab. You write on board. And you will see the results is here. So you tap the one, this one is what we need. Tap one and tap done. Then you will see here have results. Then usually it's the first one. So you tap first one and it will give you all the not all, but it will give you the definitions and examples of this character. And the most important that we need is how to pronounce it. So you just tap here, the speaker. Da. Da. Very easy, huh? Now you might say, Da, Wei Li, you are native. Of course, it's easy for you. Some Mandarin words are complex. I don't know how to write. No kidding. I feel the same. Some Chinese characters, they are just damn hard to write. So method number 2, Google search. You open Google. And tap this square icon beside the microphone. And now let's say we want these 4 words. So make sure what you need is in this white square. Then take a picture. Oh, okay. So he said no internet connection. So that means it needs internet to do this. So let me turn on. Okay, let's try again. Here, so you see it sends words. Okay, so make sure what you need is in this white square and tap. And now you can tap the screen to choose which word characters you want. Like these two. So you see Google found this word. Okay, it said the Bible. Yes, that literally means Bible, 圣经. And sometimes if we lucky, we can get the pinyin or pronunciation below. But okay, not this case. Then if that's so, don't worry. You just tap here, copy text. Copy, and you can choose translator, translate. So you will show here 圣经, and you just tap the speaker.
圣经
Yeah, 圣经.
圣经
Okay. Or you can use another way. We already copied this text, so we go back to Pleco and tap paste on search bar. So you will give it here. Then tap down. So you will find the first one.
圣经
Yes, 圣经.
圣经
Summary: How to know how the Mandarin letter is pronounced if haven't heard it before. Method 1. Write on Pleco to search. Method 2. Use Google search, then translate on Google or search on Pleco. As a native, I really feel amazed by how incredible technology is. Back then, we didn't have these tools after all. What we did was memorize, and memorize. So, leave a comment below which Chinese character you look up and what it was about. Final, a question for you. The rest of life you want to continue learning Mandarin slowly on social media, or you want to improve your Mandarin speaking skills faster and then use it to achieve your dream. To save your time, money, and makes you more money, Weekly Mandarin one-on-one online speaking practice tutoring class is available right now. Free trial class is linked down below. Also, subscribe to my free newsletter. You will get the how to empower yourself to speak Mandarin tip immediately and others weekly. This link is down below as well. I'm Wei Ling. See you in the class.